Hello, welcome to my cooking channel. This is Gourmet Cooking, Italian-American Cooking by Mike Prov, 4/8/2020. Sauces and soups. I cook two primary sauces, meat sauce and marinara sauce. Sometimes this could be called pizza sauce. Here is a great sauce for you to try. Gather all ingredients: 1 can whole tomatoes, fresh basil, ground pepper, salt, oregano, onion, garlic. Portions can be tested to your preference. Place extra virgin olive oil in a pan. Add the onions that are diced and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes until they are translucent. Then add the chopped garlic, which could be chopped with a little bit of fresh kosher salt, and wait 1 minute. Crush the tomatoes with your hands after you put the juice from the tomatoes into the pan, and place the new tomatoes that you crush into the pan. Add the basil, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of sugar, which is optional. Cook for 15 to 30 minutes. You will have the best pizza or marinara sauce in the world. Are you still with me? If so, listen to this addition on the next slide. We're going to make veal pizziola scallopini. Pound the veal. Pound the best veal you could buy. Cut into 2 by 1 inch pieces and salt and pepper them. Dredge with flour, then cook them in olive oil and butter for approximately 1 minute on each side at medium heat. You can replace veal for chicken. However, we got an update. We had an update from my friend Millie Kelly, who's now called McKelly. After pounding the veal, that's with the rigid side if you have it. If not, and you only have the flat side or the bottom of a heavy pan, that's fine. Cutting it accordingly. Place the veal separately on the side where you could see it with not touching each other, and place a little olive oil on top. Then salt and fresh ground pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, sprinkle flour, a little, do not dredge, and finish with breadcrumb. This is not dredging, this is sprinkling. Place this side with the seasoning down in the buttered pan and do the same in the pot for the other side right away. And after a minute or two, you could turn the veal over and cook on that side for 1 minute. At that time, you could add the sherry wine sauce. So here we go. Keeping the veal in the pan, sprinkle the wine over the top and let it simmer a minute. Have the pasta ready and use the same sauce. When you add a 1/2 to 1/4 cup of sherry, sweet or dry, I prefer sweet, and bring to a boil, it will begin to go down to a simmer. Then simmer to half. Add a 1/2 cup of chicken broth, any kind, I use Costco, a cup of marinara sauce, and a little hot pepper flakes, and cook for 5 or 10 minutes. If it's veal, you may only have to go 1 or 2 minutes. At first, it may look like a boil, then it will go to medium, and it should be simmering. But don't lose the sauce. If you took the veal out to cook the sauce down, then add the veal and cook for 1 minute and serve hot. That's my cooking video.